crossing 2-3 right, Victor 5 with 3-5 Quebec.
Charlie 3 Romeo Uniform, hello, line Papa 1 cross 2 3 right, taxi Tango 1.
Papa 1 cross 2-3 right, taxi Papa 1, Tango 1 Channings, 3 Romeo Uniform.
Logan 26 Foxtrot November, hold at Victor 3 and after a Jet 2 737, taxi Victor 5.
Hold at Victor 3 and after Jet 2 737, taxi Victor 5, Logan 26 Foxtrot.
There's 35 Quebec number 1 to ATR, hold Victor 5, contact tower 119.4005.
Number 1 regarding the traffic on the left, continues in hold Victor 5 and 1 degrees airline 705.
Tower 118.630.
118.630, hold shuttle from Etihad 16.
190.
Could take off 2-3 left, Channings, 3 remaining. Tower hello, Swiss 35 Quebec, holding Victor 5.
Swiss 35 Quebec, hello again, taxi to hold at Victor Alpha 1.
Continue hold Victor 1, Swiss 35 Quebec.
Yep, that's Victor Alpha 1, stop bar on your left hand side.
Victor Alpha 1, we have it inside Swiss 35 Quebec, thank you. Charlie 26 Foxtrot November, taxi Victor 5.
Okay, 26 Foxtrot November, hello there, taxi to hold at Victor Alpha 1.
Taxi hold Victor Alpha 1, Logan 26 Foxtrot November.
Papa, Bravo, Kilo, that's 44 left. Which one, Kilo, but...
Bravo, Kilo, 44 left.
Received by Alpha Golf. Thank you. Etihad 16, hold Tango 1.
Hold Tango 1, Etihad 16.
Contact tower 119.4005.
119.05, Etihad 16.
Singapore 51, thank you for your help. Vacate right Alpha Golf, hold Alpha 2.
Okay, Alpha Golf, hold Alpha 2, Singapore 51. Good morning, Etihad 16. Etihad 16. Channel 3 Romeo Uniform, contact cruise control 133
133 destination, 3 Romeo Uniform.
Then 35 Quebec, service wind 190.7 knots, runway 23 left.
Clear for takeoff runway 23 left, 35 Quebec.
Line 13, Foxtrot 133 decimal 8.
133 decimal 8, good day, 35 Quebec.
Really good morning, Canex 26 Tango X-ray, stand 901, QNH 992, Sonic 1 Yankee, fully ready.
Canex 26 Tango X-ray delivery, good morning. Fast position 1 towing behind your Quiver.
Positive, Canex. Level by 1.
Whatever, 7 Manchester Road, RX to Norris approach, 2 to right.
2 to right, Tango 1 Alpine 1245.
Singapore 5, 1 behind the vacated ATR, hold Alpha 3, contact ground 121.855. Goodbye.
Vacating ATR, hold Alpha 3, contact ground 121.855, Singapore 51, goodbye. By Bravo and Juliet Echo, not Juliet.
Bravo and Juliet Echo, sorry, hello, Mr. Bravo.
Ground 76, Tango X-ray, sub 901, 992, request push and start. 26 Tango X-ray, stand 901, push start please. Push start please. Down to the hall, 51, 7580. Just left side. Runway 2 left, copy your control.
Norfolk, start to